Hello guys, we are here at CW Trimming with the main man Craig. This is where the Porsche GBG Backdate is going to be taken care of with the interior. I'm going to pop in, have a quick look through and also have a look what Craig's ideas are and what he's doing to get this done. So let's go in. So guys, here it is in CW Trimming with, like I said before, the main man Craig. He's going to hook us up and he's going to do a fantastic job. We're not going to go into major detail because we want to leave obviously some of it to a surprise once it's done. But we're basically keeping it fairly simple inside, so we're going to full custom carpet with some really nice padding underneath for soundproofing. So it's all custom, all neat, all edged. It's going to look very, very nice. We did actually get a carpet for this car from Germany, but it fitted absolutely shockingly. Awfully shockingly. That's not even a word, is it? Awfully bad, should I say. But yeah, no, it's the first day I've come along to see it and super happy with the progress. Very, very professional and very good. So excited to see the end result, and we're going to keep you posted on it as well. But again, you'll be kept up to date throughout in the process. We're going to hold a little bit back for the main reveal, but yeah, very, very happy. The seats are going to be retrimmed. They're brand new, but we're not happy with them, so they're going to be retrimmed. But Pete's going to whip round, take a few snaps, also take a few snaps with Craig as the work progresses. We won't give you all of it because we want to keep something back till the end because we are so close now. But yeah, again, thanks for watching.